Everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do, but go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our September Curlbox. I'm so excited about this. I tried not to look at any of the spoilers and stuff like that. However, I got my box after others did, and they had to put it out there on Instagram. So I do know what's in this box, but I am excited to open my box with you. Okay? So let's get started. Of course, when we open the box, the first thing that's there is the description card. We have a lovely model on the front and the theme for the month on the back. How about that? Our theme this month is Glow Up. All right, and let's just jump right in. Now, the first thing I thought about when I saw what was in this box, growing up in New Jersey, where I'm from, there used to be a commercial that came on every time Soul Train was on, and all you could hear was, "Beautiful people use Afro Sheen." That's what I thought about when I saw this box. So, but nonetheless, we're going to jump right in. So, this month, as I said, it's all about Afro Sheen, and the website says, Afro Sheen has everything you need to achieve an enviable glow. Get in here and check out this arsenal of styling essentials that are sure to transform your curls. Okay, I'm ready to go back to my natural so I could do this. Okay, I'm just saying. The first item we have is the Fro Out Blowout Spray, and this is a full-size 6 fluid ounce bottle, and it says this spray protects your tresses against heat damage with frizz blasting keratin, aminos, and strengthening castor oil. So even when I do a silk press back in the day, all they said was my mother was straightening my hair. But today we get a little fancy with it and we say we're getting a silk press. So even when I'm getting a silk press, this will help to keep the heat damage at bay. So this I'm excited about. Still smells good. Oh, I'm having a flashback. Okay. Nonetheless, then the next item that we have is the Crown Defining Curl Cream. And this one says defines and hydrates, and it is a 12-ounce size. And it says this is a styling cream that defines twist outs, coils, and roller sets with flaxseed oil and plant butters. Wow, look at that. And it's good and thick too. Can you see that? Okay. It says the flaxseed oil is to nourish, the coconut oil is to condition, and the shea butter is to moisturize. This has the good stuff in it. I'm telling you, Afro Sheen has a rich legacy of style, pride, and dignity. The next item that we have is the Lush Fro Butter. Okay, and this one is 4 fluid ounces. And the website says this hydrating butter adds brilliant shine to parched, brittle tresses used on damp ends to seal and prevent damage. Wow, look at that. Can you see the texture of this? And it smells amazing. Look at that. Whew. Oh my God, it smells so good. It really smells good. Nourishes and hydrates. Okay. The next item, and this is another thing that I love about them, they do seal these packages that the tops may not necessarily be all of that tight on, so that we are not losing out on our products. Wow, look at that. Okay, can you see inside? This lets you know just how much product you have inside. All right, and this is the Glow Up Shine Spray. All right, and this one is 6 ounces, and this says natural propellant powered by air, finishes and adds shine. And it says a fine mist that delivers high shine to curls with the help of vitamin E rich grapeseed oil and sweet almond oil. Ooh, okay. Beautiful. Okay, and the last item in this box is the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 Leave-In Detangler and Curl Refresher. And this one is 8 fluid ounces. And the site says refresher curls with a leave-in formulated with Madagascar vanilla for length retention. Spritz onto damp hair after conditioning, or whenever your curls need a moisture boost. Okay. Y'all listen. I'm loving this. I love Curlbox anyway, and those of you who know me and who are subbies or even familiar with my channel, you know that this is one of my absolute favorite subscription boxes. I will always have Curlbox. As long as there's a Curlbox, I'm going to have a subscription. Okay? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Curlbox and why we get all of these lovely products, this box is a monthly subscription box that is $25 per month, and that does include your shipping. Now, with that, you get full-size products. Most times, it's almost the whole line. I know there are a lot of Afro Sheen products, but these are the main ones. They may still have hair. Do they call it hair grease anymore? I don't know. Hot pomade or whatever, you know. But to get 5 full-size products, okay, right down to the hairspray, new and improved. It keeps you in the know. And I love this box because there may be some items that I didn't even know about, or some items that I wanted to try, but I don't really want to spend that kind of money just in case I don't like what is there. With Curlbox, I get to try those products, and it does not break my bank. It doesn't take all of the jingle out of my coins, okay? I love this box. If you would like to try out Curlbox for yourself, I'm going to give you some hints, okay? This is a first come, first serve box. You have to be on the list, and there is a waiting list. Now, they open up this list once per month. You need to be on there, and I mean, soon as it opens. How will you know? You have to pay attention to their social media. As soon as Curlbox lets us know the subscription date, I will put it out there. I don't care if I just have to put a blurb on my community tab, I will do that. Or I can go on my Instagram, and when I do my look of the day, I can also let you know that week that the subscription will be opening. So I can make sure you get a chance to make it onto that list and have the opportunity to enjoy getting products like these. Okay? I'm loving it, y'all. I love this one. Loved last month. Loved the month before. Now, let me tell you this, okay? If you would like to try Curlbox, but you don't seem to be able to make it onto the subscription list when they open it up, they also have a non-subscription box. It's a little more, but you get the opportunity to get all of these products. Trust me, and you're still not paying what you would have paid if you went into the store to purchase them. So they're looking out for you. You don't have to worry about people that aren't wearing their masks because of COVID. You don't have to go out of your house and waste your gas. You're not even paying the taxes for items like these in the store. So go ahead, save yourself some money and some headache, okay? And go ahead and check out the Curlbox site. You may see something that you like. So I thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up the September Curlbox. Remember, beautiful people use Afro Sheen. That was this month's box. And here are the contents of this box, okay? Now, down below, you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is in the box versus the $25 that we spend to receive it, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.